The question is, the cost of a pair of roller skates at a shop was rupees 450. Now, the cost of roller skates is given to us. The sales tax charged was rupees 5%. That means the sales charge is also provided to us. We have to find the bill amount. As we know, the sales tax charged is always added with the cost price, and that makes the billed amount. So let us solve it now. The first question, it has CP given as rupees 450 and the sales tax given as 5%. Now if you want to calculate the amount of sales tax, that would be the 5% of CP, that is 5% of 450. So 5 upon 100 of 450. Here the zeros get cancelled. 2, we get 45 upon 2, that is equal to 2 to 22.5. Now the sales tax that has been applied over here would be rupees 22.5. Now the billed amount. The bill amount would be equal to the cost price plus the sales tax, that is equal to 450 plus 22.5 equal to 472.5 rupees. Understood? Now the next question. Wahida bought an air cooler for rupees 3300. That means the cost price of cooler is 3300 including a tax of 10%. Now the tax that was to be applied is already included in 3300. Find the price of air cooler before VAT was added. See, the previous question was in which the product's original cost was given, the percentage of tax to be applied was given, and you will have to calculate the final billing amount. But in here, this one question, the final amount is given, the percentage of tax is provided to you, but you have to find the original amount, right? Now how to do this question? First of all, let us assume that the CP is rupees 100. Let CP be rupees 100. Now tell me, if CP is rupees 100, what will be the VAT on this? If VAT is how much? 10% given to us. So how much will be VAT on rupees 100? 10% of 100. We get 10 upon 100 into 100, that is rupees 10. So that makes it like, if we have the cost price rupees 100, the VAT on that would be rupees 10 plus your 100, that makes it 110. Now if the cost price of any product is rupees 100, you have to pay the total amount including VAT is 110. Now the question says that this amount including amount plus VAT amount is already given to us, which is 3300. We have to find this out. How are we going to do this? We will do it simple way. 100 upon x equal to 110 upon 3300. If you are not familiar with this, you can avoid this. I'll tell you the simpler method. What will be the VAT for 1 rupee? That would be, the cost price would give you 100 upon 110 into 3300. Am I right now? Now you cancel the zeros and simplify this further. What do you get? 3000 rupees. That means if the Wahida bought the air cooler for rupees 3300 at 10% discount, the original amount would have been 3000 rupees. Right? Now the next question. Third question says that price of a TV is rupees 13,000. Now 13,000 is the cost price of the, right? The sales tax charged is at the rate of 12%. Now sales tax charge is also given to us, that is 12%. We have to find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it, right? That's simple enough. We will write the cost price of TV, that is equal to rupees 13,000. We have the sales tax percentage also, which is 12%. So while calculating sales tax, we will do 12% of 13,000, that will be equal to 12 upon 100 into 13,000. The zeros get cancelled. We get the sales tax as 1560 rupees. Now the total billing amount that he has to pay, the bill that Vinod will have to pay if he buys this TV would be 13,000 plus 1560 equal to rupees 14560. So this is how sales tax and value added taxes are calculated.